Hi guys, oh my god, I actually look homeless. Let's just ignore how I'm looking right now, but welcome back to my channel. Today we got a vlog. Dog. I'm joking guys. Welcome back. So today's video is probably going to be me on different days, and I'm basically guys, this lockdown I've decided to redo my room because my room's so basic and it's not really me. Like, I haven't been at home, but this year I'm at home, living at home. For the past 2 years I've been living at uni, and my rooms, I've decorated them very well. Like, if you guys know, I'm gonna insert some clips of my first year, second year. Like, I had the sickest themes and it was just cute, comfy, cozy. Like, I enjoyed being in my room. And seeing as we're in a lockdown and Boris said I can't go nowhere, I might as well invest in myself, in my time, in my mind. And just something I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and I've been putting it off, but finally we're gonna do it. So currently right now I'm waiting for my good sis Nyeza. She's gonna help me run some errands. I have a lot of things to buy and I'll probably show you guys what I buy. So yeah, I'm waiting for her, and yeah, I'll give you guys a tour of my room currently. So I'll show you before and after and the different processes, probably at different days, because it's gonna take me about a week or 2 weeks or so. The quicker the better to finish it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, stay tuned or whatever. And yeah, bye. Hey, my size. It's the essentials for me. Wait. You're fake. Because no, you're fake. No. Before I get copyrighted and you know. She came to get me. Hey, where'd you get lashes done? Oh, peng.
Do you want me to send her instance? Lashes by Christina.
Go straight. Yeah. I look homeless, but that's alright guys. Whenever I put a hat on, I'm about to run the maddest errands. I was gonna wear the original nightcap in it, but it didn't go with my fit because, you know, I got the red and
You're doing a bougie thing today.
I need to got the long jacket. I'm trying to be warm in these streets, you know what I mean? So currently we are on our way to 1 Argos and left, sorry. We're on our way to 1 Argos and B&Q. Yeah, I'm just gonna have a little catch up with Nyeza because, you know, I ain't seen my sister in a minute.
I know.
Boris got us locked. Boris got us locked up. Your hair looks lighter. Did you lighten it?
Yeah, I did it again.
Cheers! I know my sis. I love it. I love blonde and Nyeza, and that's all I have to say, guys. And I'll check in a few minutes. It's about to do the maddest rain right now. Like,
See what I mean? Everything is basically closed. But look, the car park
but it's full. Guys, we're in B&Q. She got that essentials drip. I'm gonna be like, you, bro. Listen, I can't even walk with you. I'm not on your level.
She just bought a whole essentials track.
I did not do.
Coming from me.
And you know, I got my Trapstar drip. You know, light drip. And I come to pick something up, and like, yeah.
Are we lost?
I don't know, but they said to just walk around, so that's what we're gonna do anyways. Let me be giving them my number. Guys, we got the car. And we got loads of stuff. Oh, you can't really see it.
Too much stuff.
But we got too much stuff. We got too much stuff.
Oh my god. I thought I could do something.
I'm back home now. And I'm gonna show you guys what my room currently looks like. My room is pretty much basic. You just come in, you have a wardrobe. I have loads of boxes and rubbishness up there. Just have my bed, literally, window, TV, and a lot of other stuff. I used to have wallpaper, but when I went to uni, my mom decided to get rid of it. So literally, it's so basic, and this is just not a bit of me. So I'm gonna transform it. Like, I want to get rid of my carpet, put some wood floors, built-in wardrobe on the other side. I want a desk, I want a chair. So stay tuned guys and see how it turns out. What I do need to do though is get rid of my clothes. I don't even want to open my cupboard for you because you guys will I'll actually just embarrass myself. I have way too many clothes. I'm gonna actually sort it out. Like, I'm such a hoarder. Is anyone else like that? Like, I know in my heart I'm not gonna wear these clothes again. Like, I really, anytime I have a new motive or I have somewhere to go, I'm ordering new clothes. That's why I have so much. But like, I just don't want to get rid of the other ones. But now I don't have time for that because my new wardrobe is going to be, I wouldn't say smaller, but smaller. So I gotta sort that out. Like, some stuff don't even fit me. So yeah, I'm also waiting for the rest of my stuff to come so I can show you guys a little haul and know what I got and give you guys some inspo. My new room theme is going to be white, pink and grey. Like, I'll show you guys my first room in uni. Like, it was really nice. It was that colour and I loved it with a hint of gold. And my second year uni room was like white, brown and gold. I liked both themes, but pink's my favourite colour, so why not bring it home? Hi guys, I'm back. I don't know why I'm making so much noise. Not gonna lie, it's like the day after whatever you just saw, and I spent the night / morning clearing up my cupboard. As you can see, guys, empty. And not gonna lie, I really wanted to get rid of like my clothes and have less clothes, but I ended up only getting rid of like one big bag of clothes and then having like 3 suitcases of clothes that I have to put back into my cupboard. But I feel like when I'm putting it back, I'm again try and get rid of more clothes because they gotta go. Like, I would put stuff in the bin, I'm like, am I gonna wear it now? I'm not gonna, actually no, I might need it for, which is annoying. But yeah, I've also cleaned out the rest of my room. Let me see if I can show you guys. All the boxes, currently storing them somewhere. I didn't even tell you guys, basically, that my uncle's gonna be redoing my room. Hopefully he'll allow me to film him or whatever and say what he's doing. But yeah, I'm excited, guys. I can't wait to chill in my new room, my new space. Boris basically forced me to redecorate my room. Shout out Boris, because I don't think I would have done it. I still need to show you guys what I bought, but I'm not gonna lie, B&Q have really annoyed me today. I was waiting for my wood flooring delivery to come since morning, and it's currently like sometime in the evening right now, and they haven't come. And I called them like 2 hours ago and they said they'll come here before 7. It's definitely past 7 o'clock, so why did they lie? They could have just said they're not coming today. Like, they texted me saying they're coming today. Had me waiting. Like, I had other errands to be running, I had ish to be doing, had me inside for what? For nothing. Anyways, let me just hold the L. Actually a whole nother day, and B&Q just finally decided to run me my items. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before they gave me the wrong amount. And I also got, what did I get? Some quick gloss, quick dry paint. Just don't know what it is, but yeah, that's the colour of my room. That the floor will be kind of matches what my living room is currently in now. I'm just gonna block out the pictures in the back because I look horrendous. But guys, it's another day of bumminess. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this whole vlog might just consist of me looking like a crackhead. Maybe at the end of this vlog I might, if you're lucky, flick up just for you guys, you know, big reveal, you know, look good, feel good. I'm gonna show you guys quickly, quick young haul, what I got for my room. I'm still waiting for some items, and yeah, just get the vibe that I'm going for. A little side note, 3 of my cousins are currently pregnant and I decided to gift them, and that's that. I hope you guys can see me, so I'm gonna quickly show you guys what I have bought already. I think this is my favorite purchase that I've got. Ooh. Guys, it's a very big box. You can't really see what it is. Let me show you the picture in the box. See how I'm struggling? So guys, I've got a very cool pink chair that you will see later on in this vlog, and I think it's my favourite purchase. I can't wait. Who knows, I might have a new YouTube setup, a new filming area. I bought some new cushions. Bear in mind, guys, I actually did not need to buy these cushions. Like, I've actually got grey cushions like this. I've got a large pink cushion like this, but you can't have too many cushions. And one thing in doing this redecoration, I had a budget, guys, and I basically gone over that budget times 3. Unintentionally, unprovoked. I just can't stop buying things. I keep seeing little things like, oh, this would go nice, this would go nice. And here we are, literally. I also got a blind, if you can see. This is the blind I got. And I got a TV bracket. Put that TV on the wall. I got wallpaper for one of my walls, and it's like this pink brick effect. And you're probably thinking, Rahimaa, really pink brick? But I just think the vibe that I'm gonna go for it, like I can envision it in my head. Like I don't even need to see this on the wall to know it's gonna bang. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm really excited. You know, just a little feature wall. Guys, I got a Yankee candle. The box is very much sealed. 1 second. And then back with a knife. I got a large pink Yankee candle, and guys, these things, they never be cheap. They be pricey, and I don't even think I'll light the candle because of how pretty it is. So that smells nice. That smells good. What flavor is it? Sugar Blossom. Boom. I love it. Also got new bed sheets, and this one is my favorite, guys. I got a fleece bed sheet. Now I'm actually scared because I feel like I won't be able to get out of bed with this, because why are they fleecy? Do you know how warm this is gonna be? Like my alarm's gonna go off and I'm gonna switch it off. Like I'm not even gonna snooze it. Like I'm actually gonna switch it off. Oh my god. I'm gonna be warm. And I just thought a white set and a pink set. And I have a few other current sheets, but we love some new sheets. And also just got some paint and other bits and bobs that you guys can't really see. I'm currently waiting it to arrive. My desk, my mirror. What else am I waiting for? Like a few decor, like candles and like a diffuser and like a tray, and I think that is the end. I'm basically not buying any more stuff, so that's my own. If I haven't bought everything, so be it, because my bank account is crying right now. Like it's telling me, Rahimaa, stop. Like I know the bank are looking at me like, raw, like is this fraud? Like I don't know why they haven't declined my payments, because this could be fraud. The way I've just been spending, tap, spending, contactless, Apple Pay. It's not good, man, but I'm just excited. Cannot wait. My uncle's due to come today. And yeah, soon I have a new and improved room. And yeah, peace.
What would you like next? Would you like another shelf going all the way across, maybe divided?
Divided.
Yeah. So another, should I copy that distance or make it a bit bigger the next one, isn't it?
Make it a bit bigger, yeah.
Say about there maybe?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. And then how many divisions do you want? Just the one? Or two?
Two.
Two. Okay, so we divide that into two.
This is the current state of my room, guys. I cannot wait to see how it looks. It is quite spacious, but yeah, oh my god, I'm excited. Put the light on. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. Eight up. Okay, guys, small progress. My TV is on the wall. Wow. Damn, I need that. Wallpaper is up.